Mae'r clwb wedi bod yn saethu yn fama ers 2 blynedd, a rheswm maen nhw'n saethu yn fama ydy cael y hyd maen nhw angen. 30 metr ydy'r mwyaf da ni wedi saethu tu mewn. Wedyn, mewn un ffordd, da ni'n lwcus ofnadwy cael gafal ar y lle yma.
Mae yna lot o glwbiau yn Gymru. Mae yna fatha yn iawn yn yr ha tu allan, cael ffwtsbol, cael rygbi. Yn y gia, mae'r niodda'n fach dydyn yn Gymru. So da ni'n lwcus iawn o fan hyn.
Fi gychwynnes i fod clwb wrth ddod yma un noson i nôl y 2 fab. A efo'r syniad o cael go ni hi, a mi nes i, a na hi o'n i'n hoff ar ôl hynny.
Dechrau Hoglin Farm, de. So un o'n hoes ffefret i oedd bwas aeth, de. Mynd i'r rhyl, drip ysgol Sul, gweld bwas Lassinger yn ffenast i'w siop, a aros pren neis efo plyg goch a gwyrdd, ia. Dyna fi o, haid mi gan o, ia.
Well, you do a 6 weeks beginners course and you can just learn. Everybody starts with sort of a stripped down boat and then it's up to you. You can just carry on with a wooden burr boat if you want to get more complicated with rods that help for balance and specialist sights that help you see. You can have it stripped down like medieval days or get technical, you know, or fancy Olympic style. It's however much you want to spend really or how serious you want to be, you know.
Beth amdan Saethyddiaeth ydy y target, dwi'n meddwl, a trio cael yr aron a y saeth i mewn i ganol yr air. Hwna ydy'r target, dwi'n meddwl. A tan mae rwy'n wedi cael hynny, mae'n anodd peidio.
You have something every week. You can increase your scores, and it's, you know, it's never ending. You know, your skill level can just keep going up and up and up, and you can shoot till you're 70-year-old. Some of the friends in the club, you think, oh, he's doing pretty well, you know, and you might have had a couple of new ones who've only joined recently. One of them beat me in the competition the weekend, and and have to get a bit better this week, you know. So it's all a bit of fun, but yeah, you know, friendly rivalry, you know.